Hello, Michael Price again. Thank you for coming this far. So the company I reached out to you about is a company called ANS. Now, look on their website, ansgroup.co.uk, you'll find out more information about them. But actually, as importantly, look on LinkedIn and look at the tenure and quality of some of the people in this business. They really do have, as I said, a tremendously big focus on what they call PDP, which is a personal development plan. But they really are very bothered about that. They're the 27th best company to work for according to the Times. They're profitable, they've got excellent growth. What the website doesn't say and LinkedIn doesn't say is that actually these guys have always sort of been ahead of the curve from a technology perspective. What you see right now is what they present as in what they sell right now. But bear in mind, they were doing this years ago. They were doing it before anybody else. They got into something years ago, which is actually now outdated, called FlexPod. They did that years before anybody else. And what's really been very important about these guys is they employ bright, intelligent, clever, ambitious people who've driven their business. This is, as I've said in my previous video, cloud services business. So hosting clients in an AWS or Azure environment, and to be clear, managing the instances of the applications that are hosted. The roles are new business, public sector. That team's growth was 69% from new logo last year. So 69% of the sales they won were new logo. Commercial, 81% growth last year in that sector, which when you think about it, it's amazing because this cloud thing has been kicking around for years. But actually, if you look at some of the big companies out there that make up that VAR 100 list, which by the way, nobody on it likes being called a VAR, so quite why it's called that now I don't know. But if you look at them, actually how many of those companies are doing new business, new logo? Not many. These guys are a new logo business. As I said, the requirement is about the vertical alignment, it's about the tech alignment, but it's also about the person. That's really important. And if you start looking at LinkedIn and what these guys are about, and you can sort of see the profile of people that work there, it really is about the person. That's the most important thing. And if you want to be part of a business that's growing, that's got huge ambition, bear in mind I'm filming this on the 15th of April when the UK and actually most of Europe and the world is in lockdown. These guys are recruiting right now. They're recruiting through growth and they've got some salespeople earning and doing terrifically well. There's another link in this video. You can of course call me, you've got my number, or email me. But if you're interested, which you should be, there's another link in this video for you to follow. You'll engage with Angus, who you may have spoken to before. Once you've been through that process, which is important because a lot of the questions are compliancy and information gathering, fairly mundane information gathering, but fairly important information gathering, then there'll be a note for you to click on a link for you and I to link up and meet in the diary. Thanks for your time. Look forward to speaking to you.